Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Hope you are all safe and fine. Welcome back again to English online class. Children, we have already studied more things about the first lesson, a hero, about Swami, in the previous videos. So he took it as a challenge. Whatever he argued with his father became a very he himself was trapped in that, and it finally it became a task, and he couldn't escape from that. Whatever reasons he gave, his father did not accept. Finally, he was targeted and he was sent to his father's room to sleep alone to show his courage. So, what happened? As soon as he was alone in the room, I described everything in the previous videos, how he was remembering all the ghost stories and about the instances about the devils and ghosts what his friends has shared with him. So all these things happened, and finally in the previous video I explained you about how he caught a burglar, a notorious homebreaker, a infamous, a criminal which the police couldn't catch him. So by biting his ankle knee, he just catch hold of that burglar, and finally in the school the next day he became a hero and showers were blessed on him. So these are the things which happened in the previous videos, and even his headmaster and his friends praised Swami for this good thing what he has done. So within a night he became a hero. Children, let us move on to the next paragraphs. So when Swami's father, everybody was inside the school, even the inspector also went behind him to praise him. So in that scene, the inspector said, "Why don't you join the police when you are grown up?" Swami said, for the sake of politeness, "Certainly yes," though he had quite made up his mind to be an engineer, driver, a railway guard, or a bus conductor in his life. Children, see what are the ambition of Swami. When the inspector praised him, "You have lot of courage, you are very bold and brave. Please join to the Why can't you join to the police when you are grown up?" Means after completing your education, you just join the police because you have all courage and brave. For that what Swami replied, "Certainly yes, sir." But in his mind he has made up already what to become in his future life. So what was his ambition? He want to become an engineer, engine driver. Children, engine driver means the train, who will run the train. So the engine driver, or a railway guard. I hope you have seen in the railway stations the guard which shows who shows the signals, or a bus conductor. So bus conductor also was his ambition later in life. So these are the three things which he had in his mind: a engine driver, a railway guard, or a conductor. See how he was thinking. These were the ambitions what he had. But all of a sudden when police inspector said that, "Why can't you join police when you grown up?" means he was somewhat puzzled. But he said, "Yes, certainly yes, sir." But though these are the things which he had in his mind. When he returned home from the club that night, father asked, "Where is the boy?" So all these things happened in the class, and Swami was also praised by everybody for becoming a hero overnight, and everything was solved. For that he was so much happy. Finally he was happy because he was alive. Then the same day his father, after returning from his club, he went to his home and asked, "Where is the boy?" "He is asleep already." So, what is the next day's condition? Children's mommy wanted to sleep early because today also he is afraid that his father will make him to sleep in his office room. So one day he successfully completed, as if he was scared of many things, even though he already completed that one day as a very terrible day. That was the very terrible day what he had spent, but even though he successfully completed. Then when father asked his mother, she said that he slept, but father is questioning, already he slept. He didn't have a wink of sleep the whole of last night, said his mother. So mother said, when father asked, so soon did he sleep? Then mother said, a wink of sleep means he did not just put his eyelashes on his eyelids 1 minute also. The whole last night he was awake, means he did not sleep at all. He was scared. He did not sleep 1 minute also, 1 second also. He did not close his eyelids. So wink of sleep means he did not close his eyelids for the whole night. So only today he went to sleep very soon. Where is he sleeping? See, father is wanted to make his mother angry. So he is asking, where did he sleeping? In his usual place, mother said casually. So casually she said, normally she said, in his usual place. He went to bed at 7:30. So 7:30 itself he went to beside his granny to sleep. That was the usual place. So she said normally, without worrying. So as usual, he went to sleep with his granny at 7:30. Sleeping beside his granny again, father said. No wonder he wanted to be asleep before I could return home. Clever boy. Mother lost her temper. You let him sleep where he likes. You need not risk his life again. So sleeping beside his granny again. So father is asking. Again he went with his granny. He is not a small kid, I told, but still after so much happened, after all these things also, even though he did not get any courage, even though he is now also he is sleeping with his granny. So no wonder he wanted to be asleep before I could return. Clever boy. So father is teasing him. Before I come home, he slept with his granny. Very clever. Otherwise, I will make him today also to sleep alone, isn't it? So he became a very clever boy. Before I returned home, he slept finally with his granny. Mother lost her temper means she became angry. Temper is angry. So she lost her temper. She was very much angry. You let him sleep where he likes. You need not risk his life again. So mother is scolding her husband. Let him sleep wherever he want. You don't risk his life again. So already he is out of risk now, out of danger. Finally he survived. Again, why you want to make his life in risk? So this is the question asked by mother. Then father mumbled as he went into change. Means he went inside the room and he was murmuring, he was whispering himself. All right, mollycoddle and spoil him as much as you like. Only don't blame me afterwards. So mollycoddle means patting more, making more love and showing more love and affection towards the babies. So like that, even he was spoiling your son by making showing more love and affection. Let him spoil. Afterwards, you should not blame me. Swami, following the whole conversation from under the blanket, felt tremendously relieved to hear that his father was giving him up. So Swami, who was sleeping beside his granny under the blanket, heard all this conversation between mother and father. He was tremendously relieved. Finally, he was relieved to hear that his father give up. Means he doesn't want to take it as a challenge and make Swami's life in risk. So he was so much happy, and finally the story ends here, children. So I hope you have understood and you like the lesson, isn't it? So I request all of you should read the lesson twice or thrice. At least each and every conversation I told you should read, because you will get in the extracts. So whatever conversation you have, you are supposed to read that, go through the textbook and ask if you have any doubts. Children, hope you have understood. So go through the lesson once again and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.